Welcome back to another episode, Chadgy Garage. The garage is empty and the project's still going 3 weeks later. Unfortunately, I suck at housework, but you know, it is what it is. I'm making progress. Figured I'd just give you guys an update here on what's going on. So, this side of the garage still doing mudding. Just finished up taping the ceiling over here, but the front section of the garage is done and it looks pretty good. So this is an idea of what it's going to look like. I have a really bad echo in here right now because there's nothing in the garage, but yeah, making progress. I've been working on it almost every night. I think I'm only taking about 4 nights off, but I think it's turned out pretty good. So yeah, this end is the challenge right now. I'm just waiting for the mud to dry. I just laid mud and tape. But the walls back here are pretty much done. Just gotta do one final sand, one final skim coat. I think I'm going to paint the cupboards white when I paint the walls. And yeah, tonight's been the first time I've actually been able to tinker around with cars. I'm working on the IS. It's covered in dust from sanding, but whatever. So the beater IS, I'm just putting it back together. Probably going to start daily driving it here. Lots of stuff has happened this week. I bought a new car. My hood came in for the EM1 and it was damaged, so I got to figure out how to get a new one. I'm working with the seller right now on if they're going to be able to send me a new OEM hood, because it was the back section of the hood was dented. So yeah, it's been a struggle just to get the garage cleaned out and in a state like this so that I can like work on it, because there was so much stuff in here. So yeah, I've been working hard for the past 2 weeks trying to get this garage done. It's been overwhelming. You know, it is what it is. So just want to give you guys an update on the garage. Update on the IS. The IS is, it might be a daily here soon. I need to start working on doing mods and stuff, but right now I need a 4-door for a daily driver, and this fits the bill. I'm sick of driving the Toyota Matrix, so this will be a lot more fun. I just adjusted the toe on this side here because I put new tie rods on and I could just tell the toe was way off, so I gave it a little more toe out. Hopefully that will get me by until I can get like a professional alignment or string it up and get it right. But yeah, I'm stoked to start driving it. Stoked to be driving a manual transmission. I've been driving my Matrix all winter. And it's springtime now. I'm still driving the Matrix, so. But yeah, I'll update you guys a little bit. Just wanted to give you an update tonight on what's going on in the garage. And this is, like I said, been the first time I've been able to work on a car in a couple weeks. Pretty much the finished product here, guys. Just got moved in today, and I'm really excited that the garage is finally done and I was finally able to move in. Got the hatch out of the barn, got it up here. Can get ready to start working on the hatch here pretty soon. But the garage turned out really well for my first time doing drywall. So I did this wall, and the back wall there. The people who built the house did the wall on this side. Obviously the code, it's probably like fireproof drywall, and they also did the ceiling. And I did my best to fix their crappy joints, but time was in the essence, and you know, I just did my best. You can definitely see where you know, I only sanded one time on the seams on the ceiling, but over here it looks much better because I sanded, I think, 3 times over here. But like I said, time was a big issue with the garage, so I didn't want to spend a whole lot of time like making it perfect just because it's a garage. I'm happy with my drywall walls. They're like literally perfect, so I know that, you know, I mean, I learned a lot, and you know, I can do a project like this again if I wanted to. I don't ever want to do drywall again because that was horrible, but the end result was definitely worth it. It took me about 4 weeks actually. That's why I've been putting videos up, because this has just been overwhelming. I think I took like 5 days in the past 4 weeks off, or 5 nights off, where I didn't work on the garage at all. And yeah, it took a long time. Just the paint alone took me, you know, just like two or three full nights just doing the primer and the paint. So yeah, that was a huge project, but I'm happy to be moved in. I'm still kind of getting organized here. I didn't want to have any shelving in the garage, but I'm probably going to need shelving because I still think that it looks really cluttered. I just have a bunch of stuff just scattered throughout the garage. I'm still kind of obviously getting organized, but I have a lot of stuff that just should be put away. Maybe I'll get some more cupboards or something like that, and I can try to hide it some more. I'm gonna eventually probably paint these cupboards all white so they match the walls so they don't stick out so much. And it's kind of tentative, but if the walls start getting like nasty with like fingerprints or dirt or whatever, I'll just run like a wainscoting along here, like a lot of guys do, like a dark gray, so that you won't see like fingerprints and stuff on the wall. But I'm gonna try to keep the walls clean because I like the white, because the lighting in here is really good compared to what it was before. So yeah, I'm really excited with how everything turned out. Glad to be working on cars again. Glad I got the hatch up. I don't know if you guys got a good view of the hatch while I was in the barn, but this is the hatch that's getting the Type R swap. We're gonna start working on that soon. Still dinking around with the IS. I am daily driving the IS right now. Just kind of getting it up here, giving it a shakedown. I've been driving it for about a week. Just wanted to kind of check things out. But this thing is a beater. It's definitely a beater. So it is what it is. I'm just dinking around. Yeah, just to show you guys the garage here. I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm not gonna film a whole lot more on the garage for a little while. I got organizing to do. Lots of stuff I got to organize in the barn, build shelving down in the barn so I can get some of this stuff out of here. But I think my goal was I could fit 2 cars in here, and I think I'll be able to fit 2 more cars right here, which is kind of cool. Not really be able to functionally work on 3 cars at once, but I don't know. The main thing is I got a lot more room here, a lot better lighting, and it's a lot cleaner. So. But yeah, thanks for watching the garage update, guys. Not sure what project I'm going to start yet. I'm still kind of dicking around with the garage, like I said. Got to get organized, got to get everything cleaned up. But I will be starting another like build/project car here soon, whether it be the hatch or the IS, or I actually did buy another car 2 weeks ago, so I need to show you guys that. Just like a daily driver, but it needs some maintenance done. So that's actually probably going to be the next car that I pull in and start working on, so I can start daily driving it, because this thing is definitely a beater, and I got plans for the black IS, so I want to start working on that too. So thanks for watching the garage vlog, guys. I hope you guys like what I did here. I know I didn't show a whole lot of it, but I hope you guys like the final product. I love it. I love the white walls and the nice lighting in here now. I know the camera's not picking it up, but it's so bright in here compared to what it was. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like what I showed you here, give me a like and a subscribe. And like I said, there's lots more cool car stuff coming, so stay tuned. Take it easy.